Hello, it's Becky from BYD Crewe showing you this wonderful BYD Seal U. This is a 1.5 petrol plug-in hybrid and a Comfort edition. This has an automatic transmission and finished in this gorgeous grey. It has LED headlights, offer superb visibility and also sits on these 19-inch bi-colour alloy wheels. It comes equipped with this 26.6 kWh plug-in hybrid battery which has up to a 78 of electric range and supports 11 kW AC and 18 kW DC charging, taking roughly 35 to 59 minutes to charge from 30 to 80%. This vehicle also benefits from an electric tailgate to easily open when your hands are full, as well as offering a generous amount of storage space. You can easily close the boot using this button. Stepping into the back now with the vegan upholstery and the green stitching with cup holders and air vents too. The multifunctional leather-wrapped steering wheel has smart controls for accessing your cameras, changing the volume or accessing cruise control. You can also switch between different displays on the digital cockpit, where you can also view your speed, charge and trip information. Taking a look to the left now, you can see that you can rotate the screen using the setting on the steering wheel. You can also access the parking cameras here as well, which offer a 360-degree view, which you can switch between these different settings to make it easy and choose your own vantage point. You also have the 3D setting where you can look around your vehicle and make sure that your surroundings are clear. Taking a look at the screen now as well, you also have access to satellite navigation, which will help you on those unfamiliar journeys. This comes up on the big screen, so it's easy to view whilst on the road. It's also equipped with heated and ventilated seats, which can easily be changed on this setting here, as well as accessing your heated steering wheel. It also has a dual zone climate control system. You can adjust the temperature on each side to suit passenger preference, as well as accessing the fan, aircon and other settings here as well. To keep you entertained whilst on the road, you also have access to DAB radio that allows you to access preloaded radio channels. You can also connect your phone via Bluetooth to listen to your own playlist as well. This also comes with a very good sound control system which you can adjust to suit your preference. Just below you have two wireless charging ports as well as your driver controls. The driving mode button allows you to switch between different driving modes to suit your preference. You have two cup holders and a generous amount of storage space. Thank you for watching this presentation of this gorgeous BYD. To book a test drive or get in touch, please call us today.